It's time. It's finally time. Tomorrow is the beginning of February, and you know what that means. It's time for the best time of the year. It's Hero February. During the whole month of February, during this Hero Festival, every video on the channel will be Hero Factory themed. And of course, during the month of Hero February, it's the perfect time for you to be building your own Hero Factory creations. Go out there and build some heroes. Go out there and build some villains. Build whatever you want in the wonderful world of Hero Factory. Build yourself a custom Hero Factory character, or maybe you could revamp an older official set. Do whatever you want. Then be sure to post it online with the hashtag HFFeb. And also, be sure to send your Hero Factory creations over to my submission email. It's the one on your screen right now. It's also in the description below. Because that's the thing, if you send me your mock in an email, I'll do my best to feature it in some of the upcoming Hero Factory themed content that's coming your way. How exciting! So buckle your pants, strap yourselves in, hold onto your butts, and get excited. It's Hero February time. So expect to see videos dropping on this channel every second day, maybe more, if I can. I might also try and squeeze in a Hero Factory mock of my own, if I have the time. Going to be spending a lot of time making videos for you, so we'll see how I go. And yeah, sadly I've got a lot of personal commitments this month, so it's going to limit the time that I can record and make stuff. But I'll do my best. Anyway fam, that's it for now. Get started right now. Go out and build some villains. Go out and build some heroes. Just have fun with it and celebrate the best time of the year. It's Hero February.
Is it actually Hero February? It's finally that time of the year?